Sure. Here's a 550-word YouTube video script for your channel USA Cars Diaries, focusing on the 2025 Range Rover. Welcome back to USA Cars Diaries, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and all the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious SUVs in the game, the 2025 Range Rover. Whether you're a fan of cutting-edge design, high-end comfort, or just raw performance, there's a lot to unpack here. The Range Rover has always stood as a benchmark for combining luxury with off-road capability. For 2025, Land Rover continues to refine that formula. From updated tech to more efficient powertrains and a cleaner design, the new Range Rover maintains its status as the flagship of the lineup. So what's new for 2025? The biggest update is the expansion of the plug-in hybrid lineup, which now offers more electric-only range. There's also a more refined infotainment system with enhanced software responsiveness. Design-wise, Land Rover has kept things familiar but has introduced subtle changes to the grille, bumpers, and lighting to keep the look modern and sleek. Pricing starts at around $108,000 for the base SE model and can climb well beyond $200,000 for the top-of-the-line SV edition with all the bells and whistles. Of course, every dollar spent buys a slice of true automotive luxury. Under the hood, you have several engine options. The base models get a mild hybrid 3.0-liter inline-six that delivers a smooth 395 horsepower. Then there's a plug-in hybrid version with a combined output of 434 horsepower and an estimated electric range of about 50 miles. And for those who crave power, the Range Rover offers a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, producing an impressive 523 horsepower. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. In terms of performance, the Range Rover remains composed and confident on the road. It's not a sports SUV, but it glides over bumps with a grace that few competitors can match. Its off-road capabilities are equally impressive, with features like adjustable air suspension, terrain response modes, and hill descent control. Fuel economy varies by model. The inline-six offers around 20 mpg combined, while the plug-in hybrid delivers better efficiency, especially if you make use of the electric range. Real-world mileage, as always, depends on driving style and conditions, but it's respectable for a vehicle of this size and weight. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that rivals private jets. High-quality materials are used throughout, from real wood to leather and aluminum. The seats are ultra-comfortable, with heating, cooling, and massage functions available. Cargo space is generous, especially with the long wheelbase variant, making it ideal for long trips or luxury airport runs. On the tech side, the infotainment system features a large 13.1-inch curved touchscreen, now faster and more intuitive than before. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a top-tier Meridian sound system come standard. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with available entertainment screens and executive-style seating in higher trims. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Range Rover is packed with driver assistance features. Expect adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and an advanced parking assist function. It also includes night vision and emergency braking to provide peace of mind on any journey. To wrap things up, the 2025 Range Rover continues to be the definition of modern luxury in the SUV segment. With more tech, improved efficiency, and timeless style, it's not just about where you're going, it's about how you get there. Thanks for watching USA Cars Diaries, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more premium car content. Let me know if you'd like a voiceover version or text formatted for teleprompter use.